Oh, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Manny Lowe, and I've just got my Galaxy Tab S8 Plus delivered, and I want to do an open box here so you can see what comes in this Galaxy Tab 8. I was pretty much undecided for a while on whether I get the S8 Plus or the Ultra. But looking at the Ultra and the comments that I read on YouTube and from other users, they were talking about that it seemed a little bit too big. Now in the box we get the Tab 8 Plus. We also get a stylus pen. We get a little doohickey here to open up the where the additional storage is kept, and then we get this USB-C cord, and that's all inside the box. So let's put that off to the side. Here's your USB-C cord, our stylus pen, and then our Tab S8 Plus. It comes nicely packaged in this protective case. And here is our Galaxy Tab 8 Plus. All right, we got a power and volume up and down. We got our USB-C charging port, a couple of speakers on the bottom. It looks like a couple of speakers on the top, and this is probably a microphone port. And then we have little dots if you have the DeX box. And then down here we have where the additional storage memory goes, and that's where that little doohickey plugs into. So let's power this baby up and let's see what we get. Alrighty. Now the S Pen goes connected to the back and it charges back here, so now we're just waiting for it to boot up. Welcome. That's our first screen right here. Start for your review. Let me put on some glasses. Yes, I agree to those things there. Agree to all. Agree. Permissions for apps and services, phone, calendar, call logs. Yes. SMS nearby devices. Agree. Choose a network. And right now I don't see my other network, but that's okay. We can use this one here. All right, trying to connect here to my Wi-Fi network. Oh, can't connect to Grumpy. What's going on? Checking the quality of your internet connection and connect to without internet. And give it a moment and it's going to go ahead and connect. Yeah, I'm kind of far from my Wi-Fi router, so. All right, right now it's processing. what's the matter with this? Okay. Not getting a network. What's up? Let's try this one here. Let's see if it connects to this one. There we go. Finally. All right, now it's doing some updates. Right now, this is the 8 gigabyte 128 gig hard drive. I didn't go with another model just because I can always add extra memory if need be. So it's checking info now. Now it's getting my account information from Google Services. Go ahead and accept. We're going to do fingerprints. Do a pin. Now I have seen a couple videos on the on YouTube, and they talk about battery life and how to extend the battery life on your on your devices. I also have an S22 Ultra. All right, so here we go. Beautiful screen with the AMOLED screen here. As you can see, it's nice, perfect size. Let's see, we're all finishing up the updates. Let's do our fingerprints, which I wanted to do, but I couldn't because I ran into an issue. Continue. I want to do one more fingerprint. Done. Awesome. Perfect. I just pulled out the S Pen, and then here's going to do some of its own thing, which I really don't want it to do. So let's go back. All right, so that's covers the unboxing and the setup of the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus tablet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have yourself a great day and see you guys later. Bye-bye.